Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to take a look at a conversation between Lauren, a professional and super talented English teacher when it comes to chatting, and a student who is applying to a university in Scotland. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Hi, my name is Lauren. What's your name?
My name is Gamze.
Nice to meet you. How are you today?
I am doing well. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. So we don't know each other, so can you do like a little introduction about yourself?
Of course. I am 19 years old. I am a student at university, first year. I am studying, my department is molecular biology and genetic.
Wow, very impressive.
Yes, thank you. I am studying, actually, I want to learning English.
We say, I want to learn English, not to learning. After to, we use the base form of the verb.
And I want to go abroad.
Okay, all right.
I
So
want to see there.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So you want to learn English so that you can go abroad. Okay. Very nice. So from what you are studying, what kind of jobs are available once you graduate?
Actually, I produce medicine.
Okay.
Produce medicine. There's something.
Like making medicine, like creating different medicines. So in like the pharmaceutical industry is what you'll be looking at going into.
I can't understand.
The pharmaceutical industry. Pharmacy. Yeah, to be like making different types of medicine. So we would call this like the pharmaceutical industry, where you're making different medicines and giving
Actually,
it to the public.
I want to find medicine that haven't been such as cancer's medicines.
Right. Okay.
I want to find cancer medicine.
Find the cure for cancer. Okay.
Yes, cure.
All right. So you want to create the cure for
cure.
Yes, the cure. Create the cure for cancer. Right. And I think like it's a very interesting area because, you know, obviously everybody wants this cure, right? It's
I hope I can do.
It's really amazing though. So what kind of countries would you be looking at going to? Because I don't know who is the best for this kind of research.
Actually, I want to Germany or.
You want to go to Germany?
Yes, for studying there. But I yesterday applied to university for studying there.
Okay.
In Scotland.
Yesterday, I applied to a university to study in Scotland.
Okay, very nice.
You are living in Scotland?
Yes, I am. I'm from Glasgow.
Glasgow, yes, yeah, Glasgow University.
Is that where you applied, at Glasgow University?
What?
Instead of saying what, try using sorry or pardon. It sounds more polite and natural.
Did you apply?
Yes, I applied. I'm waiting to
University.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm waiting to result.
Wow.
I hope
we'll be neighbors.
Maybe.
Yeah, because my city is not very big, so and we have 3 universities in Glasgow, and each one is famous for different areas. So like one is famous for like nursing, one is famous for like physics, chemistry, and the other one is famous for like doctors, lawyers, and things like that.
I hope I can go.
Yes, it would be very exciting. You would have to really love the rain, though.
Yes, and I am learning English. What do you do? Are you a teacher or?
Yes, I am. Yes. So yes, I have been like ESL, so English Second Language teacher for about 7 years now, I think.
Cool.
Yeah, it has been a while. So this is my full-time job as an English tutor. Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah. And what about for in your free time, what do you like to do? What are your hobbies?
My hobby is a lot of.
You have a lot of hobbies, okay?
One of them, I like wearing headphones and singing loudly.
Okay.
It relaxes me.
Okay. In
And
public, at home?
at home, no,
Okay.
not in public.
Okay.
I
You're not trying to be a singer superstar.
Yes, I can't. I like drawing pictures, but not professional.
Okay. So you have a lot of like creative hobbies.
A lot of creatives.
Yeah, creative hobbies like
Yes, creative.
making things like painting and
I
music.
can't try just. I just can't try.
Yeah, it's nice. It's good. What about along the creative line? Do you play any instruments?
No, I can't.
Okay.
I can't. But I want to try violin.
The violin. Okay. All right.
Violin.
Nice. I used to play
Interesting.
the saxophone when I was in high school.
Saxophone.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Like,
great.
Yeah. Like Lisa Simpson from The Simpsons. If you know.
Yes, I know, but I can't never try.
You've never tried, yes. It's kind of like a very interesting instrument, and when I was a kid, it was like the same size as me. So very big like this.
Yes. What about you? What is do you have hobbies?
I would say that my hobby would be anything to do with like health and fitness, and also anything to do with I guess like does skincare count as a hobby? Because
Yes.
I have like I like finding new types of skincare things to put on my face to, have clearer skin or to whatever,
Yes, I know, of course, because maybe in the future I produce some makeup something.
Okay,
Yes,
yes. Okay,
I can
yeah.
produce.
Do you want to find a cure for cancer or give people cancer with your makeup? Just kidding.
I'm looking at the time. We are running out. It was so nice to meet you and
Oh my God, that's very fastly.
Yeah, it does go very fast. I know. It goes
Nice
faster
to meet
than you
you.
think. Nice to meet you too. Have a wonderful day.
Yes, you too. A wonderful day.
Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you.
Goodbye. See you.
Now it's time for you to write in the comments the mistakes I've missed. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.